The dimmers work like great in terms of dimming from bright to light, but in terms of behaviour, it's a bit odd, and I'm only asking because it's odd. The lights seem to come on at different times, so if I put it down to full dim and then switch it off and then switch it on, they sort of flash and basically don't come on. So it's just not the sort of, it comes on if I turn it up to full power, but it's just not the sort of, I've turning it down now on the dimmer, and look, one comes on and the rest are down. So we'll do the kitchen. The kitchen's on, and then if I turn it on, turning it down, switching it off, switching it on, and they don't seem to come on. One's come on. So it's just weird and unexpected behaviour, and I can live with it, but it's just weird. So is it the switch? Is it the lights? When we talked about a dimmer, I didn't imagine behaving in this manner. You know what I mean? And I just need to be able to explain it to Christina, because it's unusual behaviour. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be that difficult customer, but I've never seen this or experienced it in my life. So I want to know why it is, because to me, a dimmer, you just fit a dimmer, you turn up the light, and it goes up and it goes down, and that's it. But here we've got lights coming on at different speeds. You know, look at that, it's like that, and they're off when it's on minimum dim. Switch it on and they come on. So I've got one light on and two lights off, and then I turn it up full power and I've got all three lights on. So it's weird, it's like there's a delay and it's disturbing. Look, I've got one light on. Okay, it's on the minimum, but maybe you want to come into the house having the dimmer on minimum, switch on the lights and have it minimum light, rather than turning it on, then putting it to minimum. It's just weird. It's weird behaviour.